Hey guys, and welcome back to Forage Creation. So today we will be heading over to Caribou Cafe, so let's go. So as we enter in, you see all these snacks, and here we just have some cups and some bottles and some coffee if you want to buy some. Over here we have these snacks displayed like cookies, muffins, croissants, and we have the counter filled with like granola bars and chocolates, wafers, stuff like that. We also had some water and some juice. Here are the snacks. We have some cookies, some chocolates and red velvet cupcakes, some brownies, croissants, and much more. And we have the inside. As you can see, they have all the supplies of making their amazing coffee. Now here we have the sitting areas. It was very peace and quiet here because there are not so many people here. The sitting area was quite nice. Look, they're putting in the coffee now. We asked them for some milk because the coffee was too hot. They also put some honey, which made it 10 times better. Now they're putting in some whipped cream. Now they're putting on the lids. And the honey. And some cup holders so we don't get like burned. And our coffees are ready. Now they're gonna put it into this holder so we don't drop them because they're still hot. And they're putting some extra milk because they were just too hot to hold. The milk made it a little bit colder. And that's it. This is the end of the video. We hope you guys liked this video. Please stay tuned for upcoming videos on Forage Creation, and we will see you on our next video. Bye everybody!